Hi everyone, it's Irina and today we're going to be juicing and we're going to juice in the new Extra Press Extra Large juicer. Okay, so we have a new juicer here at Magimix. So I'll show you the difference between the original one and the new one. It's just the same in every capacity except for the size of the feed. Now the feed hole was this big and this time it's that big, so it's way bigger. So it really makes doing a lot more juicing a lot faster. Okay, it's wonderful. So it's got a lovely big feed hole now, okay, and so really good. So the chute is much larger. So I'll pop the old one aside and show you with the new one. Very easy. So it also has the extra press that's on the inside. Now the extra press is for soft fruit and vegetables like berries and spinach, etc. Pineapple, things like that that are soft rather than hard, and they do a really nice juice with them. So, and you can make coulis out of them. You can make your own almond milk, okay, and other milks like that, cashew nut milk, etc. with them as well. So there's a lot you can use that extra press for. So I'll just take it out now. So to put it on, you just pop it on and you spin it until it drops in. Simple as that. Okay. And to put this on, you just actually feed that into it like so, or you just pop it out like that. All right. So very simple. The same applies here, that you actually just click it on there and it automatically goes to food processor, which is beautiful. So you've got all of that space in here to do your juicing. So you don't have to cut things up into small pieces. In fact, there you go. So you can pop them in like that. Look at that. Really pop them in there like that and turn it on. This one's down. There we go. Beautiful. Just guiding it down. That's all you need to do. Guiding the vegetables down. Very easy. Guiding them gently. You don't need to push, just guide. So all your lovely juice in there. And a bit of ginger. Beautiful. Wait for all to stop. And you just lift it out like that. Now the other thing with it is that it comes with this great spatula that fits so perfectly to scoop all of this out with. It's just made perfectly to scoop out everything that you need to scoop out, all of that lovely pulp, and clean your juicer. Now I suggest with juicers, secret is wash them first, even before you drink the juice. Scrape it out, rinse it under the tap. It's that easy. Your enemy with juicing is if you don't wash it, because everything here gets stuck, and that's just any juicer whatsoever. It's not just this, any juicer. The secret is rinse it straight away and it's no problem at all. Okay, so the juice itself is just beautiful. There you go. And you can make a really good capacity of juice in there. So there it is. Now in the with the juicer comes a book of instructions. Now the instructions are fantastic. So if you can't speak French, go to page 23 where it's all in English. And so in here it gives you lots of great information, terrific tips. It tells you about the extra press, which vegetables to use or which fruit to use for it. It goes through how to look after it, how to care for it, but also it gives you lots of recipe ideas. So lots of ideas for juicing, but not just juicing. As I said, almond milks and all those things that you can make really very easily. They're all here, smoothies, etc. There's so much. So all the information is in your booklet. Read your instructions, okay? And not like me, I always leave things to last. But this is really important. So here's your juicer, really delicious, beautiful. Take care, enjoy juicing. Oh, it's so good.